Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things for the first time on camera so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making the Boston Ritz-Carlton's Blueberry Muffins, which are infamous. Story goes that the pastry chef back in the 1920s was obsessed with making blueberry muffins, made a recipe, and it has evolved since then by the different pastry chefs they have had. And so there's this whole debate in Boston of whose muffins are best. Ritz-Carlton, some people say, is the holy grail. Other people say it is the Jordan Marsh former department store's muffins. But we're trying the Ritz-Carlton version because it's interesting. It has a lot of eggs, like 5 eggs in this recipe. It also has a lot of baking powder, 2 tablespoons. That's a lot. And it has a colossal amount of blueberries. Indeed. So how could I resist? So let's find out. Do these Ritz-Carlton blueberry muffins pass our test? Of course, it inspired this song. Start by adding lots of eggs, add some more until your dog begs. It's gonna be the glitz, making muffins by the Ritz. Couldn't pick any other song than that, right? First things first, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. And go ahead and get your muffin tins ready. Grease the top of the muffin tin and use your paper cups. These muffins will get filled all the way to the top of your paper cups, so just in case they overflow, greasing the top should help them not stick. Something I've read about, but I've never actually tried, so we're gonna do this together, is to add a little bit of all-purpose flour to your fruit so that they don't sink to the bottom of whatever you're making. So we're gonna do that. A whole lot of blueberries, add a little bit of all-purpose flour in, and we're gonna mix it around. All-purpose flour. Add that baking powder in. Pinch of salt. Mix together. Add in your sugar. Mix together. 5 eggs, slightly beat them. Add in your cooled melted butter. Stir to combine. Add your milk to the eggs and stir it around. Add the wet to the dry. Stir together. Don't want to overmix this. We're looking so that there are no dry flour spots, which we're almost there. Add in your berries and stir them in gently. Fold them in. Take big spoonfuls and put them in your cups. Put the batter in so it goes to the top of your muffin cup. Sprinkle the tops with sparkling sugar. Bake for about 25 minutes until they're golden brown. And as soon as you put them in the oven, reduce the temperature to 400 degrees. They are golden brown and ready. Ooh, look at that. Wow, those blueberries did not sink. Let them cool for a bit and then I'll move them to cool completely and then we will try them. And yes, you too can try them warm. Oh my, look at this blueberry muffin bursting with blueberries. Look how great that looks with the sparkling sugar on top. You can see all those blueberries bursting through. They did not sink. Yay for that flour trick. Let's take a bite. Let's pull back the muffin. Ooh, ooey gooey blueberries. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Those blueberries are bursting through, and boy, are they good. The blueberries are sweet. It really doesn't have that much sugar in it, but it is light and fluffy muffin batter because of all those eggs. This is a fantastic blueberry muffin. Way to go, Ritz-Carlton of Boston. Thumbs up. If I can make these Ritz-Carlton blueberry muffins for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, keep those recipe requests coming. Thanks for this one. And check me out on Instagram for so much more.